Is your 2011-2013 Ford Explorer key fob not working from as far away as it used to, or not at all? It likely needs a new battery. The key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to open the fob, and optionally a plastic pry tool to prevent scratches. CR2032 batteries are widely available online and in stores, typically costing between $2 and $10. First, locate the seam on the key fob, usually along the side. Gently pry it open with the screwdriver or coin. Avoid using excessive force. Note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up. Use a non-conductive tool to remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob halves back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, consult your owner's manual for potential resync instructions. Properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center.